If you want to enable the sidebar in Firefox, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to turn it on so you can access your sidebar more easily while browsing. This is a simple change, but it can make your workflow much smoother if you use bookmarks, history, or other sidebar tools often. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy browser tutorials. Now let's go step by step. First, open Firefox and look to the top right corner of the browser. Click the menu button, which is the three-line icon. This opens the main Firefox menu where you can find all your browser settings and preferences. From the menu, click Settings. This will open the Firefox settings page where you can customize how the browser looks and behaves. Once you're in Settings, look through the options and click Tabs and Browsing. This section contains layout and navigation settings that control how Firefox displays different interface elements. Now, find the option that says Show Sidebar and tick the box to enable it. This tells Firefox that you want the sidebar feature turned on. After that, go back to your browser window and look near the back button at the top left area of Firefox. You should now see the Show Sidebar button there. Click it, and the sidebar will appear on the side of your browser. From here, you can use it to quickly access sidebar content whenever you need it. If you don't see it right away, just double-check that the Show Sidebar option is still enabled in Settings. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the sidebar in Firefox. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful Firefox tips, browser guides, and quick how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.